Hello everyone, welcome to STP Groundworks. My name is Fuabsen, and today I'm going to show you how you can register points and take out that point, as well as creating a project using Survey Master. I'm using Mars Laser by Comnav Technology, Synogenesis. And to start with, we can start by creating a project. So you just go on project, okay, then new project, you can name it. I always prefer you leave the date, the day and the month, so you can actually know the month you recorded the point or you did the project. So I'll save it as test one stack. Okay, then datum. I'm going to use 7 parameters, zone 35. Okay. Operator, you can insert your name. If anything goes wrong, be able to pinpoint. So yeah, so okay. All right, so now we are operating in the new project that we just from creating. So basically that's how you create a project. So now I can record a point, then I stake that point. So you go on survey. When you go on survey, you go to topo survey. That's why you record your point from. You go to topo survey. Yeah, and then I'm going to record maybe here. All right, so I can name it as let me name it okay, P1. Yeah, and then you record for me. You can choose how much time you want it to take for it to record the point. You can either reduce the interval or increase. So you can put at 3, so it will take 3 seconds. Okay, it has recorded a point. And how do I know, or where do I find the points that I have recorded? I just go in elements here, then I find my points. These are the points that I recorded. So after we've done that, now we can stake that point. We see how you can find a beacon on any farm, any plot, as long as you have the coordinates for that particular plot. Yes, so let us stake out that point. In other words, let us find where that point is. Yeah, so I'll go back under survey functions. I'll look for point stake. So there. Okay, so I'll look for the point that I've recorded. You can either tap on the same point there, then it will start showing you where to go, or you go in elements. If there are so many points, then you look for that point. You can also search for that point here. You look for the name that you saved it, but just recorded one. So here, yeah. So how you stake? You just swipe to your right, and then you click on the green option. Then yeah, so you can just increase by typing there like that, so you could see where you need to go. And also you can do this. Yeah, so you see, if I did my controller like this, and then it's that triangle thing points the tip points straight to that blue thing, that means that this direction, that's where the point is. Yeah, so by doing that, you see, if I did this, the arrow is pointing somewhere else. But if I do this, like that, it gets into that dotted line and points direct to that blue thing. That's where the point is. Yeah, so I'm doing this so that you can easily know what you're doing and where you're going, in case some of these compasses you don't get along, things like that happen. But yeah. Okay, so here's so my distance from where I am to where the point is like 1.0 meters. Yeah, in 2D, the distance is that in 2D. So I'm going to find that point. Okay, so I'm closer. Okay, I'll bubble. Get closer. Yeah, so the accuracy is 0. In the bubble 0.04. okay, yeah, then I'm going to bubble from there. So the accuracy is like 0.007. Yeah, so that's where I got my point from. So basically that's how you stake a point. Yeah, on any side. So someone would ask, so what if I'm recording a point that I've been given by someone, then I want to enter it into my controller, then stake it out? Simple. So what you do, you just go in element. Okay, so I'll go to that. So you go on project, you go on element. So you find that when you go on element, you have points that you've recorded. Now maybe you want to enter the points that you've been given by someone else. You just go on add, and then you name that. For instance, you just name that point, the point space. I can say 0.6 or whatsoever you're going to name it. And then now you enter the northings, the eastings, and the z. So for instance, I'm just going to put it in, okay, like that. Okay, then 0.2, maybe here 6, 3, 5, 2, 4, 1, like that. Then here 1300. Then I save. Then to ask you to put another point, but maybe you are done with putting those points, just go back. You find that the points that you've recorded, they've been recorded as input. So you do the same. If you want to stick them out, you just swipe to your right, and then you, like that. That's how it works. Thanks so very much for watching, and don't forget to follow STP Groundworks on all social handles. And if you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section. We'll be able to answer them. Thank you.